Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video you will learn how to add animated background in WordPress with Elementor free plugin. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. Okay, let's check which we are going to build in this tutorial. This is my website and I have added this fireworks animated background in this section. So if you want to add this type of background like fireworks, snowfall or different type of animation, then this video is the perfect for you. Okay, let's get started. Go to the website and this is my website homepage and this is the heroes section. I want to give this type of animated background in the section and we will do it with Elementor free add-on. So very first we have to install a add-on. Go to the admin dashboard and hover over on plugins, click on add plugin. Just search here unlimited elements for Elementor. This is the add-on which we are going to use in this tutorial. I have given this add-on link in this video description. You can check it from here. So click on install now. Activate. After activating the add-on, maybe you will be redirect in this area. But if you will redirect in another page, just check from the left side menu, admin menu, where is the unlimited elements. You can see unlimited element shows here, but maybe it shows it can very fast or middle or very bottom of this settings panel. Okay, so just check where is the unlimited elements. Now it shows here unlimited elements. Just hover over on it and click on widgets. Then this is the settings area. From here you have to enable the widgets which we are going to use in this tutorial. Okay, so you have to enable from here. Very first you can see it shows some tab like home, widgets, backgrounds, templates, settings, account and support. Just then you can see it shows widgets and this is the widget categories. So you can select categories, then you have to enable the widgets from here. So we need background, that's why we want to add background, animated background. So navigate to this tab background, home, widgets and background. Click on the here background. Okay, all backgrounds style are showing here. Some are free and some are pro as well. You can see this is the pro and lots of free background here. So you have to install it, then you can use it. Okay, so very first we want to use like fireworks background. Just check from here where is fireworks. This is the fireworks. So if you hover on it, then you can see it shows install and preview. Just click on install. Okay, now this widget is installing. Okay, then again I want to install this cloud background. Okay, then I want to enable another one. So like animated, web animated and clouds, already I have did it. Then the snow background, just install it. Okay, if you can see it doesn't show properly, just reload this page. Yes, now we can see it shows perfectly. Now we can use it in your website. So go to the website and this is my home page. I want to give this animated background in this section. Okay, so edit with Elementor. Okay, now click on this section. Very fast you can see edit container. So click here, then navigate to the style tab. Very fast you can see it shows layout is selected, then navigate to the style tab, background, then you can see it shows unlimited background. Okay, just after install and activating the unlimited elements for Elementor add-on, then it option will add it here. Okay, so you can see unlimited background here. Just if you select style tab, then unlimited background will show here. So click on it, then background type, and you can see if you click on this down arrow, all background types are showing here. Okay, right now it shows 3: clouds background, snow and fireworks background. That's why we have installed only 3 background here. Okay, so if you want to install another one, like I want to install it, this animated wave divider background, just refresh the page, also refresh this page as well. Okay, again select the section, then style, unlimited background, click here. Okay, you can see animated wave divider background is added. Okay, that means if you install from here, then it will show here. Now I want to give fireworks background here, so click here and select fireworks background. Just wait a few moments. Okay, you can see it works fine. Now you can configure it from here, like I want to give speed 10, I want to give like 15, then it will show more quickly, and fireworks delays 10. If you want, then you can change, like if you can see from here like 40, then it will be slow, I want to give 10. Okay, so it will come quickly, then publish it. Refresh the page. Yes, you can see it works perfectly. So if you want, then you can check other settings from here. Then again, if you want to change this background, just click here, background type, then I want to give snow background, just change from here. Okay, publish it and refresh the page. Okay, you can see it works perfectly as well. So in this same way, you can install the background widget from here and select from here. Okay, then it will be work perfectly. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay updated with me.